Hello everyone, my name is Miss Siobhan. Today we are reading the story Farm Animals. Can you guess what animal is it? Are you ready? Who am I? I have a snout. I have hooves. I have a curly tail. I can oink. I'm a pig. Who am I? I have a tail of feathers. I stand on 2 feet. I have 3 toes on each foot. Cock-a-doodle-doo! I'm a rooster. Who am I? I have 2 horns. I have 2 pointy ears. I have a beard. I have hooves. Meh, meh. I'm a goat. Who am I? I have black spots. I have hooves. I have an udder. It holds milk. Moo, moo. I'm a cow. Who am I? I don't have toes. I have hooves. My hooves are like your toenails. My coat is woolly. After I'm sheared, my wool is made into mittens, hats, and scarves. Ba, ba. I'm a sheep. Who am I? My coat is brown. My mane is black. But I'm not a horse. I have short legs. I have hooves. I bray like a donkey, but I'm a mule. Thank you for listening, friends. It's time to say goodbye. See you next time.